Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply add the AI Doge, also known as RB Doge, to your Trust wallet. And the first step is logging on to coinmarketcap.com. Once you've logged on, you simply scroll down, and once you scroll down, you notice that this token is built on the Arbitrum network. So you simply copy its contract address by clicking on this copy here. Once you've copied, you minimize, open up your Trust wallet. Once Trust wallet is opened up, the toggle at the top right corner of the screen, you simply click on the plus icon there, set the network from Ethereum to Arbitrum, which is this, and then paste the contract address which was copied. It goes for AI Doge. Click on save, and boom, the AI Doge is on our wallet. So now if you're looking to fund this wallet with the AI Doge, you simply minimize and open up your OKX mobile app. Once it's opened up, you make sure you have an account on OKX, and you can get an account by simply using our link, which is in the description of this video. And with the link there, you're simply going to be getting $10,000 worth of mystery box gifts after you verify your account up to level 2 and have deposited $50. So guys, with that done, you simply use the toggle at the top left corner of the screen to click on the convert icon, and then simply click on OK. And once you've opened an account, you simply use the trade icon, which is at the bottom of the screen here. Click on that, click on this core/USDT, and in the space provided for search, you put in AI Doge, and AI Doge USDT pops in. So please make sure you've got some USDT or any cryptocurrency asset you could swap to the USDT on the OKX mobile app. And with that, you simply enter the amount of USDT you're willing to trade, which is a minimum of $1.6. So we're going with $3, which is about 19 million or 19 billion of the AI Doge. You then click on buy AI Doge, set your take profit, set your stop loss, and then click on continue. And once the order is confirmed, you're going to be getting yourself some of the AI Doge. And with that, all you need to do is head over to the assets. That's once the trade is confirmed. Head over to your assets, click on withdraw. In the space provided for search, simply search for AI Doge. As you can see, rbdoge.ai. Click on on-chain, and then simply enter our wallet address. So you open up your Trust wallets, click on receive, copy your wallet address, open up the OKX mobile app again, paste this wallet address there. The network would automatically enter, and then you set your, I think it was 19 billion or so. Okay, you set it like this and simply click on submit, and the AI Doge would be on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can add the AI Doge on your Trust wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.